Hello, everybody. Today is Thursday, May 31st. Mrs. Love is out today, so I have this quick recording for you to give you directions. Today, you'll be taking your Quarter 4 Common Assessment. This is covering Unit 11 and 12 in our history class. You may use any study guides or any other materials you have to complete this assessment. You may use anything you have except for the internet. Please do not search for answers on the internet. They will get marked wrong. Later in this recording, I will have a link for you. Well, actually, no, I won't. The link to the test will be in your class announcements page for Thursday. So you just have to go there and click on the link. Remember, please take your time. This is an important test. It's worth it, a lot of points for your grade. Make sure you're reading all the questions carefully. Make sure you read the directions carefully. Read the questions. Make sure you understand what it's asking you. Look at all of your answer choices before you select an answer. If you are asked to write out an answer, part of your response is based on that race writing strategy that you have learned this year from Mrs. Hartlip. You need to rephrase the question as part of your answer and then write everything in complete sentences. On multiple choice answers, if you get stuck, make sure you use the strategy we went over about eliminating wrong answers first. That will help you make your selections easier. Take your time. Think carefully about everything. This is not a race. You have a few days to get this test done. Go back and check your work if you need to, and always give it your best effort. All right, so you're going to complete your assessment today. You have today's class. You have tomorrow's class. You also have today and tomorrow in PLT to get this done. That is 4 whole class periods. That should be more than enough time. But if you don't get it finished, you can work on it over the weekend. I won't be doing it in class next week, but it will close absolutely on Tuesday at 4 p.m. Anybody who does not complete the assessment before that date will receive a 0. All right, so this is the old login screen process, but like I said earlier in the recording, there's a link in your class announcements. You just have to click that and log in using your own ID, okay? Now, oops, I don't know why this says watch these videos. That's a mistake. I should have covered that up. This is just a little announcement. Mrs. Love will be out tomorrow as well. Your assignment for tomorrow will be to finish your common assessment. If you have finished it, there will be an activity in your class announcements. That will be there first thing Friday morning. You must either log into your common assessment on Friday or do the activity in order to be counted present for your attendance. So please do not skip any of those things. If you have questions about logging into Elluminate, you can ask one of your other teachers since I will not be here. Otherwise, I will not be back until Monday. All right, so do a good job. Do your best. Good luck, everybody. You can log out of this recording and get started on your work.